This is how you can start your glow up journey fast in 2025. So let's get started. The first tip is skincare. So like I said, the first step to looking better is taking care of your skin. You do not need expensive products. I would recommend you to start with these 3 steps. So first, cleanse your face every morning and night. Second, use a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. And 3, applying sunscreen every day to protect your skin from damage. Even if it's snowing outside, even if it's not sunny, wear sunscreen. And on the side, you can see products that can help most people and are very popular currently right now. So I would recommend you take a screenshot if you want. But it is very important to pick your skincare based on your skin type. For example, if you have oily skin, look for a gel-based moisturizer. If you have dry skin, try to go for a cream-based one. So on the side, you can see all the different types of skin types. Just pause the video to see what skin type you are, and now you can find better skincare products just made for you. I know I already told you to pause the video, but I want you to pause again and write down your skincare routine. So if you don't have one, start with these 3 steps that I gave you. I want a morning routine and a night routine. That's what you should be looking for. My second tip for you is a new hair, okay? Because new hair is a new look. Your hair can make or break your look. You should find a hairstyle that suits your face shape, because face shapes are really important. So in this image, I give you guys all the face shapes that are available, and just try to match the one that you have. You need to also figure out what type of hair you have. But I'm just gonna warn you, it's also normal to have different type of hair types. You know what I'm saying? Like you may have some 4 or 4C in your hair, but most people have one specific hair type or one in general. So in this image, just figure out which one is yours. Now that you know your face shape and your hair type, now you can figure out what hairstyle is best for you. So for example, in this image, I give you guys different face shapes, and this is for type 1B hair. And you can see, so do your research for this. Now, here's a tip for people who have curly or coily hair. If you have curly or coily hair, try the LOC method. Liquid, oil, and cream to define your curls. Obviously, if you have straight hair, I did not left you out. If you have straight hair, try to add volume by blow drying your hair upside down, because most people who have straight hair, they have a problem with volume, and most times their hair is flat. So I would always recommend you to add like blow drying your hair, trying to make your hair upside down. Trust me, it will work. This will be your transformation. What is your biggest hair struggle? So let me know in the comment down below and I'll help you out. Now moving on to the third tip, just to impress. You do not need a whole new wardrobe to look better, just a few key pieces to make you feel confident and bomb. Start by decluttering your closet and keeping the only clothes that you like. Investing in basic stuff like a white tee, black jeans, and a blazer. And add some accessories. I'm telling you guys right now, you can make a basic, simple look so much better with just a few accessories like earrings, a cute bag to elevate your look. If you are on a budget, like not everyone has money, okay? You could try thrifting or even swapping clothes with your friend. You will be surprised by the gems that you can find. So what is your go-to outfit? Share it in the comments. My fourth tip, which is most people do not care about this tip, but it's so important, practice a good posture. Why? Because bad posture looks awful. Even if you're a famous celebrity, trust me, it will make you look insecure. So here are the ways to fix a bad posture. Stand up straight with your shoulders on your back. Keep your chin parallel to the ground. And imagine a string pulling on the top of your head toward the ceiling. Now practice this, okay? I want you to practice this in front of a mirror every day. I know it might seem like a little bit weird at first, but trust me, it will make a big difference. So since you're watching this video, yes, you, I want you to stand up right now and check your posture. How does it feel? Okay, so this is my final step, but I'm just gonna warn you, it is way too effective. It is creating a glow up plan. Now that you've started your glow up journey, it's time to create a plan to keep you motivated, to keep you going all year long, okay? We are working hard for this. So lucky for you, I created a free glow up planner with everything you need to level up, okay? Everything step by step. You can find your it's free glow up guide in the description of the video. It costs $0. So I want you guys to level up. I want you guys to be the best version of yourself. So just go in the description and it's completely free. So here's a short recap of the video. Number 1, master your skincare routine. Number 2, update your hair game. Number 3, dress to impress. Number 4, practice good posture. And number 5, a free glow up planner. Let's make 2025 your best year yet.